What if you could run an entire online business without hiring a team? I am talking about finding winning products, contacting suppliers, building your website, and running your entire marketing all done automatically. So in this video, I'm going to show you just one AI agent that can do all of this for you. I'm talking about Accio Work, and I tried building a full e-commerce business using this AI agent. And let me just show you what happened. Accio Work is essentially an AI agent workspace which is designed for real-world business operations. This is not just another AI chatbot. Instead of simply giving answers, it allows multiple AI agents to execute real tasks for you. You can think of it as having a researcher, a marketeer, and as an operation manager, all working for you 24/7 inside a single platform. You can start using this amazing AI agent just by going to work.accio.com or just click on the link in description. And here you can just download Accio for Windows or for Mac. So Accio Work is downloaded as a software right here on your computer. So this way it can actually handle and manage all of different files on your computer. So you can either directly start with giving it a task or just give it a project folder where you can ask it to just like read different files. But what I like to do as a first step is create an AI agent. If you just click on this add new agent, if you just like go to this agent section, you can find a lot of different AI agents right here. There is e-commerce mind, there is Shopify operator, there is of course Accio agent, there is coder, and there is vibe selling agent as well. But you can simply just click on new agent and now you can build your own custom agent. This will be a daily assistant agent, or maybe Shopify operator agent, or maybe dropshipper, or a coder, or maybe an e-commerce expert, or product manager, or financial expert, or vibe selling agent. You can just like choose any of these different categories. So in this video, I'm going to build an e-commerce expert agent. So I can simply just click on that, and after that, I'm just going to click on identity button. Simply just click on this next step, and now you need to define identity of this AI agent, of this AI model. So first you can choose an agent avatar. You can maybe upload your own custom image, or maybe just choose any of these images from here, and then just give a description for your agent. You can define precisely what this AI agent actually does, and also you can just like give it a vibe. It is professional agent or maybe friendly agent, but let's just keep it like professional. And also the model provider, you can choose any of these different model providers. You can choose cheaper AI models as well, something like Quen, something like Moonshot, but I think you can just like choose auto, so it can just like switch to any of the models based on the requirement of any particular task. And then you can just go to tools, and now you can just like give it all of these different tools. These tools include file systems, web and browse, sourcing, code and terminal, utilities, image and media, memory and planning, and agent collaboration. And also you can give it a default workspace right here on your computer. So what I'll do, I'll simply just click on this select folder, and now I'll just give it a default workspace. So I have just created a folder, Accio Work. I'll simply just select this folder, and now this is the default workspace of this AI agent. Now I can simply just click on next, and now these are all of the skills that this AI agent will have. You can also add more skills in here. You can just click on recommended skills, and then you can just like choose among any of these skills, maybe sourcing as well, research and selection, SEO and ads, content and GTM, analytics and finance, CRM and retention. Perfect. So you can just like choose among all of these different skills in here, and then you can simply just click on this user profile. So basically you just need to tell this AI agent about the user, which is me in this case. So I'm just going to tell this agent my name and notes, background. I don't need to like provide that, but we can just like provide that too. Click on finish and launch, and now your e-commerce expert agent has just been launched. There it is. And now this AI agent is loaded with a lot of skills. You need to keep this thing in your mind that Accio Work becomes significantly more powerful once you configure its core components carefully. This skill section allows you to add capabilities such as marketing, sourcing, and content creation. You can add any of these skills inside Accio Work. There are plenty of variety of different skills that you can find in here, and even you can upload your own skills as well. You can just like create a skill.md file. You can define those skills inside maybe ChatGPT. You can create like a skill.md file, and then you can just upload your skill in here, and then it can use that uploaded skill as well. There is this connector section as well. You can connect Accio Work with external tools, something like Gmail, something like Twitter, something like LinkedIn, Lark, Instagram, Alibaba.com, GitHub, and all of these different upcoming connectors. So using these connectors, agent can perform real actions instead of just suggesting them. Then we got this channel section in here where all of the communication and execution takes place. So you can configure all of these different messaging platforms, something like Telegram, Discord, DingTalk, or Facetune and WeChat. So I think if you're living in US or UK, you can just like choose Telegram or Discord. The setup process is simple as well. You can simply just click on this how to connect to find the setup process, and it will ask you simply bot token. You need to just like create a bot inside your Telegram app, and then you need to provide that token in here and then click on connect, and then you can see bot will be added in here. So after that you can communicate with your Accio Work agent directly from your mobile phone. By the way, this entire setup takes only just a few minutes. So to test a real scenario, I asked Accio Work to build a Shopify store around a testing product in fitness niche. But let me just quickly do that entire process again in front of you just to show you how exactly it works. So I'm just going to give it this prompt, which is build a Shopify store around a trending product in fitness niche. And then I'll simply just press enter, and now Accio Work will start working on this project. First of all, you can see this is exactly where this entire system becomes really interesting. First, it performs product research by analyzing trends, by identifying winning products, and by validating the demand. And this is something that typically takes hours to do manually, if not days, by the way. So right now you can see it is asking for the browser connection required. So I can simply just click on this connection guide, and now it is asking me to open Chrome extensions and then open this particular folder. This is the extensions folder, and then drag the extension folder into Chrome. So what I can do, I can simply just click on this open Chrome extensions folder. So first, this is the extensions folder on my Chrome browser, and the next step, I'm just going to open the extensions folder. So I can just like copy the path from here, and then this is, by the way, the extensions folder which is inside this Accio resources and then Chrome extension. So I can directly just paste this path in here. So this is the extensions folder path. I can then click on this select folder, and now you can see Accio browser has been connected. So now it can directly start using our browser as an AI agent. You can see it is performing this task inside our browser right here. So basically right now it is using our browser without us doing anything. So after finding the right products and building the Shopify store, the next it moves to supplier sourcing. It not only finds the suppliers, but it also prepares the outreach messages and can automatically follow up if needed. This AI agent, by the way, is doing the entire work of a virtual assistant. So you don't need to hire a virtual assistant anymore, because this AI agent can handle all of that work. After that, I asked it to generate a brand name, product description, and a positioning aligned with the niche. So then it built the brand identity basically, and give this brand a name which is Forge and Flow, and this is our tagline, and this is a positioning for this brand. By the way, this is based on the real product that it has just researched for us. These are like real products. After it finalized the real products, it is now building the brand identity around it. So if you just have a look at the positioning here, so Forge and Flow is a premium description for the modern house athletes, and we believe that true performance is 50% work, the Forge, and 50% recovery, the Flow. Our gear is selected for those who take their fitness seriously but don't have time for equipment that fails. So it has precisely crafted the positioning basically for your brand. Then it has also created this target audience as well, that includes busy professionals building home gyms, dedicated functional fitness enthusiasts. So you already got your target audience based on the product which is best for your niche right now. This is the SEO optimized product description. Again, this is well researched, built like by a proper AI agent that knows what it is doing, and that knows your audience, that knows the right positioning, and that knows like the tone of voice as well. So based on that, it has built this product description. Now everything from the research side is ready. Now I can just ask it to start building the landing page for this project. So this is the simple prompt that I'm going to give it, which is create a landing page for the product, generate a complete structure including a hero section, product benefits, and call to action. So now it is going to build a landing page that then I can directly implement on Shopify. And based on our prompt, it has just created this landing page for us. This is the hero section. So this is .liquid file. This file you can directly import inside Shopify. So you can locate this file in here inside your Accio project folder, and here you can see this is a .liquid file. And by the way, all other files that it worked on, all of these files are in here. So now you don't have to manually design your Shopify store. All you have to do is just go to your Shopify store, just go to the theme, edit code, and then just provide this .liquid file in there. Now this is where things become even more powerful. I can ask it to create a TikTok and YouTube content strategy for this product, and it can generate not only the content ideas but also the full scripts and captions. And in other words, it is going to build an entire marketing plan. So I'm just going to give it this prompt, which is create a TikTok and YouTube content strategy for the product and generate content ideas, full scripts and captions, build an entire marketing plan. And then I'll just press enter. And now because it is aware of our entire product, it is aware of our audience and every single single thing related to our product. So it has created a very professional TikTok and YouTube content strategy. You can open this marketingplan.md file. You can just directly just open this, and this is your entire YouTube and TikTok marketing strategy. It has even given these different content ideas as well. Content idea 1, the YouTube short idea, and you can see it has created a proper marketing strategy for us. The key difference here is how Accio Work compares to typical AI tools. Most AI tools, especially the chat-based ones, provide answers that still require a manual. You need to copy, paste, and implement everything yourself. This AI agent Accio Work, on the other hand, actually executes workflows. It connects tools, runs tasks, and manages operations. So instead of just helping you thinking, it helps you get things done. You can also create an agent team rather than relying on a single agent. And this allows multiple AI agents such as research agent, a marketing agent, and an operations agent to work together in parallel and coordinate automatically towards a shared goal. The biggest takeaway here is that you are not increasing your workload, you are increasing your execution capacity. Accio Work allows you to expand your execution without increasing your headcount. After testing this AI agent, it is clear that this is one of the most practical applications of AI for business. It is especially useful for individuals running solo businesses, building startups, or trying to scale efficiently. If you want to try this yourself, just download Accio Work for desktop now, and you can use my link in description to unlock some extra bonus credit. You can also comment Accio if you want more details. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I see you next video. Bye bye.